can tell by the color of my t-shirt. And honestly, I'm really craving some tenderness, soft colors, a bit of renewal, something light and airy. That's why today I decided to share my joy with you and show you what I received. Just recently, this little box arrived for me, and inside is my long-awaited ring. Here it is, the box. Let's open it together. This is a ring from DovEggs in Seattle. It was custom made to fit my size and my preferences. The type of metal I wanted, the cut, the stone. DovEggs specializes in lab-grown diamonds and moissanites. This ring features a yellow moissanite. I've wanted a ring with a yellow stone for a really long time, and the folks at DovEggs helped me figure out which option would be the best fit for me. They also answered all my questions. I was involved in the whole production process. In fact, they sent me different sketches, updates on the progress, answered my questions, and after all that, I finally received my gorgeous ring. Let me try it on. This is their exclusive yellow cushion cut moissanite, 1.5 carats. Look at how the ring shimmers, how the stone sparkles. The brilliance and play of color, just incredible, especially in natural light. The stone literally catches every ray. It's elegant, weightless, simply timeless. You just want to wear it every day. And the design itself is so light and looks very neat on the hand. It's exactly what every girl needs, and the stone is the highlight. I also think that a ring like this could be an amazing gift for yourself or someone close to you. So if you have any reason coming up to treat yourself or someone else, be sure to check out DovEggs' pieces. You can choose the stone and the cut and create a design that's just for you. I was kept in the loop through every stage of production and eagerly awaited the moment I'd get my ring. And the personalized approach made this ring truly personal and special. It has amazing quality, very precise details, and it looks luxurious. Definitely check out DovEggs and their pieces. I've left all the links in the description. There, you can go to the DovEggs website and pick out something for yourself. Also, don't hesitate to reach out to their support. They'll definitely give you advice and answer all your questions. So that's our gentle spring vlog for you. Well, I'm off for a walk now. I'm sure I won't be able to take my eyes off how this ring shimmers in natural light. I can't wait any longer, so I'm heading out now.